Welcome to Auto Garage. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 pickup truck, a vehicle that seamlessly blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a longtime Ram enthusiast or new to the brand, this truck promises to impress. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Ram 1500 a standout in its class. Exterior design and trims ***. The 2025 Ram 1500 boasts a refreshed exterior that exudes both strength and sophistication. One of the most notable additions is the all-new tungsten trim. This model raises the bar for upscale pickups with features like 22-inch aluminum wheels and a newly redesigned exterior that commands attention on the road. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, the Ram 1500 Rebel offers enhanced off-road capabilities. It comes equipped with beefier looks and legitimate off-road features, ensuring you can tackle rough terrains with confidence. Sight Turn Zero Search 1. Performance and engine options ***. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 1500 introduces two new 3.0L Hurricane engines. These twin-turbocharged inline-six powerplants replace the previous Hemi V8, delivering impressive performance and improved fuel efficiency. The high-output version offers a best-in-class available six-cylinder horsepower of 540, ensuring robust power for both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. The base engine is a V6 developing a useful 305 horsepower, suitable for buyers with less extreme requirements. Sight Turn Zero Search 3. Towing and payload capacity ***. When it comes to capability, the 2025 Ram 1500 doesn't disappoint. It offers a maximum towing capacity of 11,550 pounds and a maximum payload of 2,370 pounds. While some competitors may offer higher towing capacities, the Ram 1500's performance is more than adequate for most users' needs. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. Interior features and technology ***. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that rivals luxury sedans. The tungsten model features premium leather 24-way power front seats with heating, cooling, and memory functions, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. Sight Turn Zero Search 7. The 2025 Ram 1500 also boasts the most available touchscreen space in its class, with over 24 inches of combined available displays. This includes a world-class Klipsch reference Premier audio system, providing an immersive listening experience. Sight Turn Zero Search 7. Safety and driver assistance ***. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ram 1500. It comes equipped with over 100 standard and available safety and security features. Key highlights include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with a hands-free driving mode. These features work together to provide peace of mind, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 2025 Ram 1500 offers a range of T.